Hello, future millionaires! Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate online destination for attaining financial freedom. If you're dropping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates on all things finance. Are you ready for an epic adventure into the world of passive income? Let's get started. Our topic today is a captivating one. Mastering passive income, effective methods for a $500 daily profit in 2023. Sound like a lofty goal? Trust me, it's not only achievable, but it's also a goal that can truly transform your financial life, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. But let's begin with the basics. What is passive income? Picture an income stream that keeps flowing even when you're not actively working. You've put in significant effort at the start, akin to sowing seeds. And then with a bit of maintenance and nurturing, you have a system that produces income, the grown plant bearing fruit. That's passive income. It's the key to true financial freedom, allowing your money to work for you, instead of you working for your money. Now, with that understanding in mind, let's venture into the strategies that can earn you a passive daily profit of $500. Method 1. Investing in the stock market. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. This means you own part of their future profits. These profits come back to you as dividends or as an increase in the value of the stock. With platforms like E*Trade or Robinhood, you can start investing even with a minimal amount of money. A well-diversified portfolio can create a steady stream of passive income. Method 2. Real estate investment. Here you invest in property. It could be a residential property that you rent out or commercial real estate. Your tenants pay rent, which can exceed your expenses on the property, leading to passive income. If dealing with properties and tenants isn't for you, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide an alternative. REITs are companies that own commercial real estates like malls, office buildings, or hotels. You buy shares of the company and earn dividends from the income these properties generate. Method 3. Create a popular blog or YouTube channel. Now this requires a fair bit of work up front, creating high-quality content, building an audience, and gaining their trust. But once you've done that, there are multiple ways to earn passive income. Ad revenue, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing can all generate steady income. For example, if you run a tech blog, a tech company might pay you to write a review of their new product. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Here you partner with a company to advertise their product on your website or social media platform. You earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. For instance, if you have a fitness blog, you can partner with a company selling fitness equipment. Every time one of your readers buys a treadmill through your link, you earn money. Method 5. Creating and selling online courses. This involves packaging your expertise into a course and selling it online. Let's say you're a professional photographer. You can create a course teaching people the basics of photography, advanced techniques, or even your unique approach to capturing perfect shots. Once the course is created and uploaded on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, every new student brings in additional income. Method 6. Dropshipping. In this e-commerce model, you sell products through your online store without managing inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store featuring products from third-party suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Your profit is the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price. Method 7. Peer-to-peer lending. This model involves lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms that match lenders with borrowers. For instance, You can use a platform like Prosper to lend $5,000 to a small business. They repay the loan with interest over time, which becomes your passive income. Remember, creating a passive income stream that yields a $500 daily profit doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of planning, effort, patience, and strategic moves. But with dedication and these smart strategies, your financial dreams can become a reality. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends and family, and jump into the comments to let us know your thoughts or questions. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, this is your Financial Freedom Guide, signing off. Remember, every day is a step towards your financial independence. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay financially savvy.